So you would turn that on like so, and you'll see some blinks. Next, you will open up the controller to turn that on like so. Now the transmitter's on. Now you've got to bind the transmitter with the quadcopter by putting the left throttle stick up and down like so. And you should hear a couple of beeps. At that point, it should be bound with the quadcopter. A recommended first step is to calibrate the gyros, and that's simply done by putting the left throttle stick and right rudder stick down into the middle, like so. And you should hear a couple of beeps, have some blinking, and it should be all calibrated. Make sure to do this while it's on the ground, not moving, and it's completely flat. Now at that point, we can insert the mobile device at the bottom and connect to the Wi-Fi and launch the app. So let's do that now. So once the mobile device has been inserted at the bottom of the transmitter, you go into your phone's Wi-Fi settings and you look for an entry that says M8 underscore and I guess a serial number, and you would connect to that. And initially there is no Wi-Fi default Wi-Fi password or anything like that. So once connected to that, you would launch its app, and the app is basically called H-Fun for have fun. So H-Fun, H-F-U-N, and here's the icon. So you would launch that, and once you launch that, you enter this simple screen layout, and it'll show you that you're connected to the drone's Wi-Fi there. And if you tap on that, it should take you back to your mobile device's Wi-Fi settings if you want to try to connect again in case you improperly connected to the wrong Wi-Fi. Here at the upper left-hand corner, there's an icon for some settings. So here you could change the throttle mode, the language right in there. And right here, I believe this is to probably calibrate the gyros of the drone. So right there it says calibration finished. I assume that's the calibration that is being done. And right here you can select between flight and master. So we'll pick flight and we'll do start. And right away you can see we have a feed from the drone. And so that has a range of about an FPV range of about maybe 100 meters, 60 to 100 meters. And so going over the app and its buttons, this will take you back to the main screen. This you can change which camera you use. So the default one initially is the front camera, but if you push that, you'll switch to the bottom camera. As you can see here, it's facing the wall here, but yet it's filming the bottom. So, and then you can switch back, so you can basically toggle between the cameras. This will go to your gallery, and this button right here, this should be the auto takeoff, auto land if you're controlling this through the phone. Here are your left and right joysticks. Here's your emergency stop. Here, this icon is for either putting it in your Wi-Fi FPV goggles, so it splits the screen, or you can flip the screen, or you can go into headless mode, I believe that is. Here you can change your rates. Here you can take a picture, you can take a video here, and here you can switch between the two modes of either flight or master. And so flight is basically you're attempting to fly using your mobile device because the transmitter is optional, or master is mainly to fly this with FPV and just mainly to use the screen for taking pictures or viewing the FPV view. So that's essentially it. We'll take it out for a little flight and see how it does.
watching it end again and again. I feel it in waves, you follow me, drifting to places I should leave. So close to the edge of something so perfect. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be. Let me go. All that we had, I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me, so close to the edge.